Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to mirror your iPhone or Mac screen. Mirroring your device's screen is really straightforward both on iPhone and Mac. You do however need an Airplay compatible device such as the Apple TV. First, make sure both your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open Control Center and tap on Screen Mirroring. Here, tap on the device that you want to mirror to. If an Airplay passcode appears on your TV screen, enter the passcode on your iOS device. Once you tap on the device's name, your iPhone's entire screen should be mirrored to the TV. It's really that simple. To do the same on the Mac, the process is identical. Open the Control Center and click on Screen Mirroring. It's that simple and straightforward. However, keep in mind that this only works with Airplay compatible devices. What else do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.